Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Car radio not working? Here's how to fix it. Ever turned on your car radio only to be met with silence? It's an all too common problem that can turn any drive into a dull experience. A working car radio isn't just about the music, it's also about getting crucial updates and navigating through traffic with ease. When your car radio decides to go on strike, it can be frustrating and inconvenient. That's why we're here to help you troubleshoot and get back to enjoying your ride. From simple fixes to more technical adjustments, we'll cover what you need to know to bring the tunes back to your travels. Stay tuned and let's get that radio working again. Check the power source. When your car radio is not working, the first step is to check the power source. Ensuring that your car radio has a stable and adequate power supply is crucial for its proper functioning. Let's dive into examining the power source components closely. Inspect the fuse. Locating and inspecting the car radio fuse is a key starting point. Begin by finding the fuse box, usually located under the dashboard or in the engine compartment. Once located, carefully examine the fuse related to the radio. If you identify a blown fuse, follow these steps to replace it. 1. Turn off the car ignition. 2. Use a fuse puller or needle nose pliers to remove the damaged fuse. 3. Replace it with a new fuse of the same amperage. 4. Turn on the ignition and test the radio to see if it's working now. Check battery connection. Another crucial aspect is to check the battery connection to the radio. Follow these steps to ensure a secure and corrosion-free connection. 1. Turn off the car and locate the battery, usually under the hood. 2. Check the battery terminals for any signs of corrosion or loose connections. 3. Use a wire brush to clean off any corrosion gently. 4. Tighten any loose connections, ensuring a secure fit. 5. Turn on the car and test the radio to see if the connection was the issue. By inspecting the fuse and battery connection as part of troubleshooting your car radio, you are taking essential steps to identify common issues that can cause radio malfunctions. These steps can often resolve the problem and get your radio working flawlessly again. Verify antenna connection. When your car radio is not working, one of the first things to check is the antenna connection. Having a properly connected antenna is crucial for good radio reception while driving. Here's how you can verify and fix any issues with the antenna connection. Checking the antenna cable. Start by inspecting the antenna cable connected to the back of your car stereo. Ensure that the cable is securely plugged into the antenna input. A loose or disconnected cable can lead to poor reception or no signal at all. Examining the antenna mast. Next, examine the antenna mast outside your vehicle. Look for any visible damage such as bends or breaks. A damaged antenna mast can significantly impact radio reception. If you notice any issues, you may need to replace the mast to restore proper functionality. Reattaching the antenna. If everything looks intact but your radio is still not working, try reattaching the antenna. Unscrew the antenna mast, clean the connection point, and securely screw the mast back in place. Sometimes, a simple reattachment can solve reception problems caused by loose connections. Testing the radio signal. After reattaching the antenna, test your radio to see if the signal has improved. Tune in to different stations and check if the reception is clear and consistent. If you still experience issues, it may be necessary to seek professional assistance to diagnose any underlying problems. By verifying the antenna connection and addressing any issues promptly, you can ensure that your car radio functions optimally and provides you with enjoyable listening experiences on the road. Test for radio code issues. Is your car radio not working after a power loss? Some car radios may require a security code to be entered in order to operate again. This section will guide you through the process of testing for radio code issues, helping you locate and enter the necessary code to unlock your car radio. Locate the radio code. One of the first steps in resolving radio code issues is to locate the specific code required to unlock your car radio. Here are some methods to find the radio code. Check the owner's manual. Many vehicle owners' manuals contain the radio code information. Look for a section related to the car radio or security features. Maintenance records. If you have kept detailed maintenance records for your vehicle, the radio code might be noted in these documents. Contact the manufacturer. Reach out to the vehicle manufacturer or a local dealership for assistance. Provide them with your car's VIN number to obtain the radio code. Enter the radio code. Once you have obtained the radio code, you can proceed to enter it correctly to unlock the car radio. Follow these step-by-step instructions. 1. Turn on the car radio. Start your car's ignition to power on the radio display. 2. Enter the code. Using the radio preset buttons, input the digits of the radio code. Make sure to enter the correct numbers in the right order. 3. Confirmation. After entering the complete radio code, press the Enter or OK button on your car radio. 4. Unlock. If the correct radio code was entered, your car radio should now be unlocked and ready for use. By following these steps to locate and enter the radio code, you can troubleshoot issues with your car radio not working due to security code activation. Unlocking the radio will restore its functionality and allow you to enjoy your favorite tunes while on the road. Consider radio unit failure. Upon encountering issues with your car's radio, it's essential to consider the possibility of a radio unit failure. Despite checking power sources and connections and ensuring the correct radio code input, if the radio continues to malfunction, seeking professional assistance is crucial. Seek professional assistance. When troubleshooting steps like verifying power connections and codes have been taken but the radio still fails to operate, it may indicate a deeper issue with the radio unit itself. In such cases, consulting a car audio technician is highly recommended. These professionals possess the expertise and equipment to diagnose and address radio unit failures effectively. By seeking their help, you can ensure that any underlying technical issues are accurately identified and resolved, restoring your car's audio system to optimal functioning. Car radios, like any other car component, need regular care and attention. A non-working car radio can be caused by a range of simple issues, from loose connections to blown fuses. Checking these common problems can often save time and money before heading to a professional. Regular maintenance, including keeping connections clean and ensuring the system is properly powered, can prevent many of these issues. Take a few minutes to troubleshoot, and you may find the fix is easier than you think. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.